Hey guys, how to fix mail app not working on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem, you need to go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is on and make sure that you have a powerful connection, right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the main settings, go ahead to the general, right? And then basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just double check if we have any new update on our iOS, and mail and any other app developed by Apple will actually be developed or will be updated once you update your iOS. Okay, and what we're gonna do next, we're gonna just go back to the general. Okay, scroll a little bit down and we're gonna just transfer or reset iPhone by clicking on it, right? And then basically before we transfer or reset iPhone, go back and make sure that you shut the VPN down, so you don't have any connection to the VPN. Maybe that's the problem. And if you're still facing that issue, go ahead to transfer or reset iPhone and click reset, and you're gonna just go ahead and reset all settings, and that should fix your problem. Okay, so go back. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and make sure that you set the date and time automatically. All right, and basically go back to the main setting. Okay, now what you're gonna do, in order to fix that problem, you need to scroll a little bit down to the screen time, go ahead to the screen time. Okay, scroll a little bit down to the content and privacy restrictions, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you gotta just go ahead and make sure that you shut down the content and privacy. Okay, and that should fix your problem. All right, and then basically you gotta just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play by going back to your screen, right? And we're gonna just go ahead and try to pin down mail if the issue persists, and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.